Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? I am Noreen Abbasi of class 7th, your teacher of Pakistan Studies. We have done chapter number 1 and I have told you in chapter number 1 that you have to make index and after that you have to make the title page and then short question answers and long question answers. In long question answers there are two or three diagrams you have to draw with pencil. And in the last I had told you about the blanks. You have to make the blanks from your book, from your chapter, and after that you have to learn the chapter for your test. Now we are starting chapter number 3, Major Climatic Regions of the World. Page number 23. I am reading and explaining the chapter. Chapter 3. If our world were a plain smooth ball of rock or water, the climates would be simple, hot round the equator and getting colder and colder towards the pole, but Earth has land, oceans, mountains, plains and different kinds of soil, so that the climates are very complicated pattern. But in spite of local differences, the general tendency is for land near the equator to be hot and nearer the poles cold. These are some of the main climatic regions of the world. Major climatic regions, which is divided in 5 main climatic zones. The Earth is tilted 66.5 degrees. This tilt play very important role. We see different seasons on Earth due to tilt. If we see globe, equator are bulging so that there are different sun rays. Intensity high towards pole, sun rays in slanting, so the intensity is low. Monsoon climate. A monsoon climate is one in which the wind blows from one direction, often southwest, for half the year and from the opposite direction, northeast. For the other half, monsoon climates are found mainly in the subcontinent and Southeast Asia, though there are very small areas in Western Australia, Western Africa and Southern USA that have such a climate. One of the main characteristics of the monsoon climate, especially in Asia, is that the southwesterly winds which blow from April to October usually bring heavy rain. And the southeasterly winds November to March are dry and often cool or cold. Monsoons are really land and sea breezes on a huge scale. In summer, the land heats up rapidly and draws in moist winds from over the ocean. In winter, the land, especially the center of the Asian continent, cools rapidly so that the warmer air over the sea rises, drawing in the colder winds. Because monsoons occur normally in the tropics where the temperature is high, and because there is plenty of rain, even if only seasonal, monsoon lands are usually fertile agricultural regions. The natural vegetation is deciduous forest. What are the deciduous forests? The temperate deciduous forest is beautiful biomes famous for 4 seasons in trees and leaves each one. What are the biomes? Any major regional biological community such that of forest or desert, whose leaves come out at the beginning of the wet season. The forest trees such as teak and hardwoods are very valuable, and bamboo, which is typical of monsoon lands, is used for almost everything: building furniture, water pipes, tools, fencing, and in earlier times, even for writing, and where the natural vegetation has been cleared, crops such as rice, sugarcane, bananas, tea, and many furniture are grown. Although Pakistan has a monsoon climate, it does not have a high annual rainfall. Most of the southwesterly winds carrying the rain are made to change direction because of the shape of the subcontinent and approach the country from the southeast. This means they have to cross much of India before they reach Pakistan and have lost much of their moisture before they arrive in the country. As a result, Pakistan has an average rainfall of 250 mm, whereas the western coast of India gets 450 mm. Monsoon climate. The reversal wind in monsoon climate from south to west there is summer, and from north to east there is winter. Reversal of wind causes monsoon type of climate. South to west, the winds, due to humidity, it rains. Next topic is Mediterranean climate. This is one of the most favored climates in the world. It is very limited and is found generally between 30 to 45 degree latitude. On the western sides of continent, they are mild, wet winters with about 350 to 900 millimeter of rain, and hot dry summers. This makes them ideal for agriculture, growing high price such as grapes and other fruits, early vegetables like tomatoes and asparagus. And what is asparagus? The young shoots of asparagus officially eaten as a vegetable. Oranges and lemons, peaches, apricots and olives, as well as cereals such as wheat. Cattle and sheep are raised on higher and slightly less fertile soils. They produce the usual meat, skins and wool, and also products such as cheeses, which fetch high prices in western markets. There are no true Mediterranean climates in the subcontinent, the remaining areas being around the Mediterranean Sea with small pockets in southwestern Australia and Africa, and on the western coast of North America. Some favored valleys in northern Balochistan have a climate which is some ways is similar. Mediterranean type crops are grown here, and indeed in many other parts of Pakistan. See the picture. Mediterranean climate is ideal for growing high price crops such as oranges. In this picture, there are two pictures, and see, cattle and sheep farming is suitable and slightly less fertile soils in the Mediterranean climate zone. So we can shortly explain it that this is one of the most favored climate in the world. Our next topic is tundra. This is one of the world's waste spaces. These ice and rocks deserts cover about 10% of the earth's surface, but grow almost nothing of value to human beings, though some produce minerals such as oil in Alaska. There are two types of tundra: the Arctic tundra towards the poles, and the alpine tundra, which is in mountains about the timberline where nothing much can grow.